A pendulum released from rest will oscillate with a fixed frequency, which is called its natural frequency. If the length of the pendulum is changed, the natural frequency also changes. Now, if we have that object and it's moving towards you and you push it gently, the object will lose energy. If an object moves away from you and you push it gently, the object will gain energy. So external forces can change the motion of the system. If a system, so a playground swing or other pendulum for example, oscillates and you push it every time it begins moving away from you, you will apply a periodic force with a fixed frequency and the system will gain energy periodically with a fixed frequency. This means that the amplitude will increase. Now this only works if you push when the system begins to move away from you. So that means that the external frequency, the frequency that you push with, should be equal to the natural frequency of the system, and this is called resonance. The amplitude of oscillation drops off quickly as the frequency of the external force deviates from the natural frequency of the system. Damping the system removes energy from it, and this not only reduces the maximum amplitude attainable, but also slightly shifts the natural frequency of the system to a lower value and widens the peak.